Hi everyone, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to turn on dynamic LEDs with dynamic spot up on Oppo devices. So all you need to do, just make sure you have it downloaded through your Play Store. Then open the app, and as you see, I will set it up real quick. So for this to work, all you need to do, just set up some single steps. Just select apps that can activate the pop-up. It's loading all your apps, and you can do this and click select. Then go to the notification access, and then go to the scroll down to the dynamic spot, and then click allow notification access. Then there's the draw on screen. Click on it, then go next. Then go to the downloaded apps and click dynamic spot and mark it as allow. And then it's basically done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.